Join me as I challenge myself to recreate the most delicious Indian Paneer Butter Masala right in my kitchen. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a recipe that's sure to impress your family and friends. Imagine a rich, creamy, and utterly delicious dish that's a staple of Indian cuisine, and I'm going to show you how to make it right at home. Many of you might think that Indian cuisine is all about complex recipes and hard-to-find ingredients. But trust me, that's not always the case. I've had my fair share of trying out different recipes, and I can tell you that Paneer Butter Masala is one of those dishes that's actually quite easy to make. By the way, the recipe for Indian Paneer Butter Masala can be found in the posts of my channel. But please, watch this video first till the end. The best part is that you can make it with ingredients that are easily available in your local supermarket. No need to hunt down exotic spices or spend hours in the kitchen. With just a few simple steps, you can create a dish that's sure to wow your loved ones. To make this dish, you'll need paneer, which is Indian cheese, some onions, tomatoes, cashews, and a blend of spices. The key to making it rich and creamy is to use a generous amount of butter and heavy cream. Don't worry, I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along easily. First, you'll need to marinate the paneer and then cook it until it's lightly browned. While that's cooking, you can start making the sauce by sauteing some onions and tomatoes, then blending them with cashews and spices. The magic happens when you add in the butter and cream, which gives the sauce that velvety texture. As the sauce simmers, the aroma that fills your kitchen is just incredible. You can see the sauce thickening and the flavors melding together. It's a moment of pure joy, knowing that you're just minutes away from enjoying a restaurant-quality dish right at home. The moment of truth arrives when you finally plate your Paneer Butter Masala. The rich color, the inviting aroma, it's just so enticing. You can't help but dig in and savor that first bite. To recap, we've just broken down the recipe into simple steps. Marinate the paneer, cook the sauce, and then bring everything together with butter and cream. It's a recipe that's easy to follow and requires minimal ingredients. If you give this recipe a try, please do share your results in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my other cooking videos for more delicious recipes that you can try at home. Check out the ingredients and instructions in my posts on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.